Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's buzzing across boardrooms, tech forums, and even your favorite social media feeds. The massive AI investments by tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and more. We'll explore how these companies are channeling billions into AI research, the groundbreaking projects they're launching across different countries, and what it all means for our future. From ethical debates to market shifts and even some surprising, humorous tidbits along the way, this video will unpack it all. So, if you're curious about how AI is reshaping our world, stick around. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Let's start by taking a closer look at the landscape. In today's digital era, the AI race is more than just innovation, it's a gold rush. Tech giants are investing heavily to create systems that not only transform how we work and live, but also dictate the future of industries. But what exactly are they doing, and how does it impact us? Google is often seen as a front runner in the AI world. With its research arms, DeepMind and Google Brain, it's not just about search algorithms anymore. Google is pushing boundaries with advanced conversational AI like Gemini. Imagine interacting with your devices in a way that feel almost human, conversations that are context-aware, engaging, and sometimes even witty. Recently, Google announced plans to set up a cutting-edge AI research lab in Mountain View, dedicated to generative AI that could revolutionize not just search, but also creative industries. One fascinating example is how Google's AI is transforming healthcare. In several USA hospitals, AI systems analyze medical images and patient data to detect early signs of diseases, sometimes even before symptoms emerge. Picture a scenario where an AI alert saves a life by identifying a critical condition early on. That's not science fiction, it's happening now. But there's more. Google's work isn't without controversy. Many experts and concerned citizens are asking, how transparent are these AI systems? What safeguards are in place to ensure ethical use? These questions echo throughout online forums and news sites, highlighting the delicate balance between innovation and responsibility. Moving over to Microsoft, this tech giant has become synonymous with integrating AI into everyday productivity tools. Their partnership with OpenAI has led to the rollout of features like ChatGPT within the Microsoft Office suite as Copilot. Imagine drafting emails, generating reports, or even coding with the assistance of a smart, intuitive AI that learns from your work habits. Microsoft's AI is not just about automation, it's about amplifying human creativity. Microsoft is also breaking new ground in cloud-based AI through its Azure platform. New projects focus on AI-powered cybersecurity, designed to predict and neutralize threats before they escalate. On tech forums like Reddit, discussions are rife with excitement over how these tools could revolutionize our daily workflows. Users are debating the future of work. Will AI free us from mundane tasks, or could it lead to unexpected challenges in adapting to new technologies? Then there's Amazon, a company that practically redefined online shopping. Amazon's investments in AI are not limited to its massive e-commerce platform. They extend into logistics and cloud computing via AWS. The company is leveraging AI to manage real-time inventory, optimize delivery routes, and offer hyper-personalized recommendations to shoppers. Think about the last time you shopped online and received product suggestions that felt uncannily perfect, as that's AI at work. AWS continues to expand its AI offerings, rolling out automated machine learning tools and enhanced natural language processing capabilities. These innovations are not just theoretical, they're actively helping startups and established businesses streamline operations. A popular anecdote on tech blogs recounts how a small business in Seattle used AWS AI to predict customer demand, reducing waste and saving thousands of dollars in operational costs. While the USA leads in many areas, AI investments and innovations are a global phenomenon. Let's break it down by region. In Europe, especially in countries like Germany and the United Kingdom, there is a strong focus on ethical AI and regulatory frameworks. European tech hubs are piloting smart city initiatives where AI helps optimize energy use, manage traffic, and reduce environmental impact. For example, in Amsterdam, AI algorithms are being used to control street lighting and manage urban infrastructure efficiently. The emphasis here isn't just on technological advancements, it's on creating a sustainable future. In Asia, countries like China and South Korea are making massive strides as well. Chinese firms such as Baidu and Alibaba are investing heavily in autonomous driving and facial recognition technologies. A notable example is DeepSeek, a Chinese startup that's developed a cost-effective AI model, challenging the notion that high-tech innovation requires enormous capital. In South Korea, AI is being integrated into robotics for manufacturing, pushing the envelope in automation and efficiency. Even India is emerging as a key player, especially in AI-driven education. Startups in India are developing platforms that personalize learning experiences, making education more accessible in remote areas. These examples show that AI is not just a tool for tech giants, as it's a transformative force reaching every corner of the globe. Now, let's dive into some questions that are heating up the conversation on social media and tech forums. How will AI impact employment? Many people are asking, will these AI advancements create more jobs or simply automate away existing ones? The answer is nuanced. While AI may replace some repetitive tasks, it also opens up opportunities in new fields like AI ethics, data science, and machine learning engineering. Can we trust AI with our data? With companies like Google and Microsoft processing vast amounts of information, viewers often question, how secure is our personal data? This concern has led to vibrant discussions about data privacy, transparency, and the need for strict regulatory oversight. Is the global AI race a threat or an opportunity? The competition between the USA, China, and Europe raises questions. Will global collaboration flourish, or will we see increased tensions over technological supremacy? This debate is particularly popular in international news articles and policy discussions, emphasizing the geopolitical stakes of AI investments. What role will ethics play in AI development? Ethical considerations are at the forefront. Audiences are asking, how do we ensure that AI does not perpetuate bias or infringe on human rights? Tech giants are now being pushed to incorporate ethical frameworks into their research, a topic that continues to generate heated discussions on platforms like Facebook and Reddit. Let's line things up for a moment. Imagine if your morning coffee machine started suggesting new recipes based on your mood, or if your car not only drove itself, but also critiqued your playlist choices. While these scenarios might sound absurd, they illustrate the kind of smart integration that tech giants are aiming for with AI. It's like having a personal assistant who's so in tune with you, they almost know what you need before you do, even if it means occasionally suggesting you switch from pop to classical music. Here's a story that really puts things into perspective. A small business owner in Texas recently shared on a tech forum how Amazon's AI-powered logistics transformed his operations. By using predictive analytics, he was able to manage his inventory more efficiently, reducing waste and boosting profits. This isn't just a win for his business. It's a glimpse into how AI can empower everyday entrepreneurs to compete on a global stage. Stories like these remind us that behind every technological breakthrough, there are real people whose lives are being improved. As we've seen today, the investments that tech giants are making in AI are not just about staying ahead in the market, they're about redefining the future. Whether it's Google's pioneering work in generative AI, or Microsoft's transformative integration of AI in productivity tools, or Amazon's innovative use of AI to revolutionize e-commerce and logistics, these advancements are reshaping our world. And as we look globally, from Europe's sustainable smart cities to Asia's groundbreaking robotics, one thing is clear: the AI revolution is here, and it's only going to accelerate. The key takeaway is that while these innovations come with challenges, such as job displacement, ethical dilemmas, and privacy concerns, they also offer incredible opportunities for growth, efficiency, and improved quality of life. The global competition in AI isn't just about who wins the race. It's about how we can collectively harness technology to create a better, more connected future. I want to hear from you. What do you think about the massive investments in AI by these tech giants? Do you see it as a beacon of progress or a cause for concern? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. And if you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into technology and innovation, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, stay curious, and embrace the possibilities of tomorrow.